Assalamu alaikum students, this is Harika Batul and today we are going to discuss about measurements and units. So let's start our video. What are measurements? A measurement is a way of determining the size, length, amount or degree of something. It involves comparing an unknown quantity to a known standard. For example, when we measure the length of a table, we might use a ruler with units like centimeter or inches. Now, what are units? In physics, a unit is a standard quantity used to measure and express physical quantities. Or in other words, a unit is a standard amount of physical quantity that we use to express measurements. Without units, measurement would be meaningless. For example, saying something is 5 doesn't make any sense unless we specify 5 what. 5 meters, 5 kilograms or 5 seconds. Similarly, saying the table is too long, what does it mean? But the table is 2 meters long is correct. So, this is the short introduction of measurements and units. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.